Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Southeast Idaho weather planning briefing for Monday morning. Looking at our weather impact summary slide, we have hot and dry conditions today, and in fact we have a heat advisory out for the eastern Magic Valley and portions of the Snake River Plain. We will continue to see widespread haze and smoke across the region from regional fires. As we work into Tuesday and particularly Wednesday and through the weekend, we'll see the next monsoon flow and storm system pushing up from the south across southern Idaho. That will bring us areas of showers and thunderstorms through the week, and as we progress into the latter half of the week, for sure we'll see wetting rains across much of the area. We may see a fire weather highlight or warning by Tuesday afternoon up in the Central Mountains on the leading edge of this system, but right now uncertainty is a major factor for holding off on any type of highlights in that region at the moment. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery this morning, we see a high-pressure system across the west, that subtropical system that we were talking about working into the lower Colorado River Basin. You can already see the moisture associated with that running out ahead of the system, working up into the Central Mountains. That will promote some isolated thunderstorm activity up in that region this afternoon, but this system here will punch up through the Great Basin tomorrow with its associated moisture spreading into Idaho throughout the day on Tuesday and continuing Wednesday into the weekend. Taking a look at our hazards for today, as I mentioned, we do have a heat advisory out for the eastern Magic Valley and portions of the Snake River Plain, and that'll continue through 9 p.m. this evening before expiring. Looking at some of our model charts, here we are looking at model simulated radar reflectivity for today. So you can see that moisture that was rotating around the high up into central Idaho will help to generate some isolated convection in the Central Mountains this afternoon. And as we work our way into Tuesday, we see a significant increase in moisture across southern Idaho. In fact, the areas here from the Snake River Plain southward will be so moist that I expect to see at least wetting rains, and our minimum humidities during the day will also be rather elevated as well. So not expecting really any fire concerns here across the south. The one place I might expect to see some potential activity is up on the northern periphery of the cloud cover out ahead of the monsoon push. In this region here, basically Lemhi County and points northward may see scattered thunderstorm activity in the dry variety. So we'll continue to monitor that. We may need to see some fire weather highlights out in that region, particularly zone 475 for Tuesday. Jumping ahead to Wednesday, that high-pressure system shifts east slightly, but we continue the monsoon flow through Wednesday through the weekend. We're expecting widespread showers and thunderstorm activity to continue each day over the latter half of the week, with wetting rains primarily being the main concern across the region. Okay, to review, we have hot and dry conditions today with a heat advisory in effect for the eastern Magic Valley and portions of Snake River Plain. We have widespread haze and smoke from regional fires that will also continue across the region, and some isolated thunderstorm activity up into the Central Mountains. We do have a monsoon or subtropical system pushing up through the Great Basin tomorrow. That'll bring increasing moisture to the region on Tuesday. With scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. We may actually see scattered thunderstorms up in the Central Mountains. Again, little too much uncertainty on that one to be issuing any fire weather highlights at this point, but red flag warning may be in the offing if that particular pattern continues. As we work into Wednesday and continuing into the weekend, that moist monsoonal flow will continue across the region with wetting rains. That's all I had for you this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.